Today we're going to tell you how to repack your desiccant column. First thing you need to do is disconnect your air lines. You push in on the little gray ring here and then pull out on just the hose. We're going to do that to this side as well, so we free that up. Pull your column off and you can turn it upside down and take the bottom off. You may need tools for your system, for your column. Take your spring out, column out. You may need a small screwdriver to help pull this metal mesh membrane out. All right, so you're going to take this, we're going to dump all of our desiccant out. And we're going to make sure that none of these little balls are actually in these threadings. And they're all out. So first thing you want to try to do, pull out this center tube. Make sure it's not cracked. Make sure there's no additional desiccant inside. And you're just going to just let it sit there. Just nice like that. We're going to get some fresh desiccant. And we're going to use a paper towel to help make sure we don't get any desiccant in our tube. Now I'm going to use a funnel so I don't get my desiccant all over the floor. Okay, so now we can pull that out, put our screen mesh back in. Now the purpose of pulling that tube out is to allow it to fit into here and have a nice tight seal. If you don't have a tight seal, you're going to get errors not getting below 30%. What you want to check is that this little inside here, this guy is clean. Ours happens to be, and it goes right back in there. This is your air out. This is your air in. We put our spring back in. We put it at the top or the bottom base back on and thread it on. And make sure it's tight. So when we go and put this back on the pump or connect it to your 5532 or 33, you're going to want to make sure that your air out of either the pump or your chamber goes to the air in on the column. That's absolutely important. So put it back in there. We set this on our base and we'll now connect our air line out from the column back into the chamber. And that is the way you properly pack your desiccant column.